Hello and welcome to Keane Volkswagen in Liffey Valley. My name is Stephen and today we will be having a look at this 2018 Volkswagen Touareg commercial. Now this is a pre-registered vehicle, which means it does come with a 3-year Volkswagen warranty as standard. This example is finished in a stunning Reef blue metallic and is powered by a 3-litre TDI V6 diesel engine, which kicks out 262 brake horsepower and means the annual road tax for this particular car comes in at €333. Now at this point in the video, I would like to also inform you that this is a VAT qualifying vehicle. Moving on to the front, we can see that this car is fitted with xenon headlights, front and rear parking sensors, fog lights that are integrated into the front bumper, and on top of the windscreen we have the sensor for the roadside recognition system. Moving to the side, we can see that this car is sitting on the 21-inch Mallory style alloy wheels, which is joined by the privacy glass fitted to the rear windows. Finally, at the back, we can see that the car is fitted with a fixed rear boot spoiler, LED rear tail lights, dual exhaust tips, as well as a fully electric tailgate. Alongside this, the car is also fitted with Volkswagen's highly sophisticated 4Motion all-wheel drive system and also comes with a keyless access system. On the inside, we are greeted with corn silk leather seats, which contrast nicely against the nature brown dashboard. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel features the controls for the Bluetooth as well as radio, and behind this lies the controls for the car's cruise control system. Next to this, we have the touchscreen infotainment system, which features satellite navigation as well as a reversing camera. Above this are the switches for the heated steering wheel, parking sensors and parking cameras. Below the car's touchscreen is the dual zone climate control, which also features heated seats. Last but not least, we have the center console, which contains the gear lever for the 8-speed automatic transmission. This is then surrounded by the engine start-stop button, electric park and brake, automatic hill hold assist, and in addition to this, we have the switches for the stop-start system, traction control, and the off-road mode, which when activated will reprogram the all-wheel drive system to make it more suitable for off-road driving conditions. Now before this video ends, I would like to inform you that this car does come with a number of different financing options. If you would like further information, feel free to call us on 01 426 2000, or if you like, you can visit our website, the link to which will be in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care.